let's check it out.
4G63 NASCAR here. We have some really big news. So as a lot of you know, we have Xona Rotor and Force Performance helping us out with this build. We also have Tial Sport helping us now. So thank you guys. Thanks for helping us out, and can't wait to get this thing done for the 2020 race season. What up, everybody? Here we are pulling a donor motor, so we got a bunch of spare parts. As you can see, we're in Colorado, and this ain't race car weather, but we ain't got a choice. We got a deadline we got to meet, so we are pulling radiators and such. So hopefully we can get this thing running by the end of the month. I would imagine probably get our pistons and rods in. We'll probably use the crank out of this one. If it looks good, we'll mic it, see if it needs turned. Hopefully it's just a polishing and we can send it. So this is a 90 laser, and we've been looking all over the place to find a 6-bolt, and they're kind of hard to find, guys. They're getting to the point where you can't find them as often as you used to. I used to give these motors away, and now I'm like kind of dying to get a hold of a couple. So we'll keep you posted as we get it out, and hopefully we can go racing.
The car ate him. Ready for the race, bro?
Dude, I'm so ready.
This is what happens when you've been held inside for too long because of the coronavirus. You think you're at the racetrack.
So let me show you some of the stuff we got inside, man. So since last time you guys seen this car, a lot has changed. We'll be hooking up our e-brake, our hydraulic e-brake. We got our lovely shift knob from Legendary Shift Knobs, which is going on our TH350.
I'll bring that back up here. Let me
That
see
thing's bad to the bone. It's probably gonna sit in here like this and probably have the button right here.
for the nitrous.
Well, no, just for the release to let it go through.
Okay.
The nitrous is probably gonna be up here on the other side. So this is my radio comms here, and then the nitrous might be on the other side. One of the things I do need to do is right here, I'm going to put a speedometer, like a little digital speedometer, and we're going to put little shift lights right here, little gear lights, so I know which gear I'm in, with probably right below it have a bright red one, that way I know when to shift. So I don't have to take my eyes off of anything, but we got the air to water intercooler, we got our safety system all hooked up, got some nitrous line ran, got our lovely carbon fiber dash. I fit nice and tight in our seat now, and I got a new steering wheel, so that way I don't have to turn forever. Because that last steering wheel literally sat on my lap, and in order to go around a road course, I would just be whipping it around. So this is nice. I can just that quick.
Yeah, hell yeah. And I mean, when we were moving it, pushing it up on this this handy thing here, the trailer, it really didn't have any issues turning it.
No, not at all, man. It actually makes it a lot easier. You're not struggling to fight to get it to turn, and
Especially without that power steering.
just a lot better. Plus, it's a lot lighter of a steering wheel. I know every pound counts, man. You know, even if it's quarter a pound at a time, that's weight reduction, and weight reduction's free horsepower.
Speaking of every pound counts, didn't you just do some cooling system upgrade or something like that with some carbon fiber?
Yeah, so if you come over to the other side, I can show you here.
Yeah, let me walk over there real quick.
So these right here, this is the differential and transmission cooler unit, and the vents in the quarter glass are actually what goes down here. There's tubes that go down, and we just picked up these kick-ass carbon fiber fans. And those will induct our air down into our heat exchanger and keep our tranny and our differential cool.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, man. And I can actually get out of this thing, and I fit in it pretty good now, too.
Hey.
Hey, straight race car steps.
Nimble.
Nimble, like a mongoose.
Like a mongoose.
Like a herd of turtles.
Like a herd of turtles, he says.
All right, so we got the motor out, inspected it. Everything looks good. I think this is a good motor that we can use as a donor, rebuilder, extra 6-bolt head, no holes inside the block. So I think we're pretty good. So yeah, now it's time to break it down, get this transmission off, and send it.
go get beer and tacos.
Beer and tacos.
All right, that's called success. We got our 4G636 6-bolt motor. Everything turns over, everything looks good, no holes in the block. We'll pull the crank out, have it mic'd, check the block, see the cylinders, have the head rebuilt. So we'll have a backup motor again. Can't have too many backup motors. Right now the problem is I have tons of 7 bolts, but I don't have all the little accessories for a 6-bolt. So I don't, like, for instance, these motor mounts. I don't have these because mine's GSX and these will work better because this was a front wheel drive. Just little stuff like that, the water pump housing and everything. So success, guys. Hope everybody has a good weekend. We will keep you guys updated as we get parts in.